Wow, what a ride! If you thought that was fun, wait till you do it for real. It's almost here. One of the most anticipated new coasters of 2023, Pipeline, the surf coaster, is about to open at SeaWorld Orlando, and we can't wait to welcome you out to this new exhilarating attraction. Pipeline celebrates the iconic surfing cultures found around the world with a unique surfboard ride vehicle that gives riders an immersive experience when their seats rise and fall to mimic the sensation of riding on a wave. This first of its kind coaster is not one to miss, so start planning now and we'll see you soon on Pipeline.